Welcome to the channel!
Hello and welcome. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I'm Kolbe.
And I'm Sarah. And then today we'll be checking out Ginkgo State Park and Sentinel Mountain.
Many people know Washington for its great Pacific Northwest scenery, such as what we're standing in now. But I think what a lot of people fail to capture is the fact that over half the state is actually a desert. And today we're going to be exploring some of that area and showing you what it is like on the other side of the Cascades.
Let's check it out!
The wolves are back. In 2008, the first set of cubs was confirmed to be born, and as of 2019, there are over 108 wolves in 21 different packs across Washington state.
Welcome to camp on the Columbia River, home for the next night. Caution, low overhead clearance. This is definitely a Leo-approved campsite.
What you guys are looking at here is a confluence. It has created an oasis and, as such, a diverse ecosystem of wildlife out here in the middle of the desert. If you look closely, in the background you're going to see a bunch of wind turbines up on the ridge there. They produce up to 4,500 megawatts of electricity, enough to power a city the size of San Diego.